Hey friends, in this video I wanted to share my process of painting this AFS kit from Maschinen Krieger. The main theme and goal with this model was simplicity. Of course, we could push this further, but I feel this is a good starting point right before any further weathering steps. I will not be going super in-depth in this video, but hopefully this will help those who are new to this style of painting plastic models. I was able to achieve this finish with just a few acrylics, varnishes, and oil paints. For my main color, I went with an Mecha Classic, RLMO2 Gray, and Duck Egg Green. The Duck Egg Green helps to brighten up the RLMO2 without completely changing the color too much. These paints from Vallejo are thin for airbrushing, but I went ahead and thinned it further with a few drops of water. The model was first primed in black, as a dark base helps simulate shadows and adds depth to the finish. I apply the paint in a randomized fashion. I do not want an even and smooth application, and this helps save time and effort when achieving a weathered look. The brush type does not really matter, but for this example I am using a round number 3 sized brush. It is worn but not splayed, and did well with both stippling and stroking applications. This part of the process is very free and relaxing. I often like to start off very loose in the beginning and then tighten up towards the end. We only need about 2 or so coats of paint since these colors have amazing coverage. For my secondary color, I mixed field gray and added just a couple of drops of black gray. I again thinned the paint down with water. Using a smaller round brush from Tamiya, I quickly applied the paint in areas that I felt would be most aesthetically pleasing: the front of the head, the torso, and the feet. If you are ever stuck on how to lay out the camo, the color cards are a great reference tool, and I often get my inspiration from those. After applying the gloss coat, decals, and the matte coat, I then applied an overall gunk wash. The wash itself is made up of oil paints. The main color used is raw umber with just a small drop of lamp black. The paint is then thinned with odorless thinner to a semi-transparent consistency. Using an old, soft brush, I applied the wash liberally over the entire model. Doing so not only fills in the panel lines, but will also leave a very light filter. I let the wash sit on the model for about half a day before going in and cleaning up and removing the excess with cotton buds. And I think this looks pretty good. It will not be winning any IPMS shows, but it was fun, relaxing, and simple. As I said earlier, from here you could do further weathering techniques such as chipping, rust, and dirt. If you would like to see how I do those techniques, then please let me know down in the comments section below. I will have more videos on here soon, so please remember to like and subscribe and keep all notifications turned on so you never miss out when I post. Bye friends.